So I am going to come right out and apologize for the quick and dirty production quality of this video today, but like many of us, I am hurriedly getting ready for VCF Midwest. We are here at the workbench today, and I have a Sony Mavica MVC FD100, and it is well and truly sealed. The seal here is actually sealed. And on the bottom, serial sticker is a little bit peeled off, but this is all glued. Like this ain't coming off without it being obvious. So I am 100% certain that this has never been opened, and we are going to unbox it today. If I can get this working, I will be hopefully offering portrait photos on floppy disk at VCF Midwest this year. So let's hope this goes well. So we are going to start with a cutting tool. We have a Smith & Wesson pocket knife today, a little bit worn, and we're going to start by cutting this seal. This is going to be a little painful for some people, but what good is a camera that just sits in a box, right? So let us just go ahead and slice. That wasn't too hard. I'm going to be as gentle as I can with this. Out of there. There we are. Up we go. If your product is not working properly, do not return to the store. I don't think that in 2022 we really need to worry about that anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and move y'all up a little bit so that you can have a better view down into this box while I open it up. So this appears to be, wow, that is yellow. Digital still camera operating instructions. Got some tape here. We will gently undo that. Looks like a lens cap in there. I apologize. I know how hard it is to watch somebody else struggle with packaging like this. So we got us a nice little lens camera or lens cover there. A manual that will teach us all about all of the wonderful accessories that we can purchase for our new camera. We've got a damage disclaimer for the battery. Looks like they do not want us to be using third-party batteries. Who would have bought registration card? And it's actually not really a registration card because it really just tells you to go online and do that. Safety manual. Information about the warranty, long expired, I am sure. Here is our software CD. A little ironic, considering that the camera writes its pictures to floppy disk, but I guess it works, doesn't it? Remember when discs used to look like this? We've got our user manual here, quite a thick one, different languages. And we've got a little cord here, presumably to attach to our lens cap to keep it from getting too far away from the camera itself. So let's get in deeper here. I think we're getting closer to the camera. Here's our little shoulder neck strap. USB cable, which is looking a little yellow despite having not been out of the box. I can't tell if that's yellow or dirt. I think it's yellowing just because none of it seems to have gotten onto the actual plug, but only the cable itself. We've got our video cable, power adapter, this is our legitimate Sony battery. Looking pretty all right. And what we all are here to see, the camera. There she is, looking good. Got a little tag on here that says something about battery usage, I take it. So there we are. That is our unboxing. If I can get this thing going the way I hope I can, we will be taking some pictures with it before too very long. Thanks for watching.